when you was in Haiti, it hurt for you to build all those houses and see everyone dying?
Because some of my family was in the church.
Did you ever have a dog? Did you ever have a dog when you were?
No.
Oh. How did it feel when you gave donated money to people in Haiti?
It felt good for me because that's my home. That's where I came from.
Okay. Want to take some pictures for our Haiti?
How did it feel coming home?
I felt horrible because it was like this body flying everywhere and I couldn't see because the SWAT team, the police didn't come. The police came like 3 hours later before it happened, so they didn't come
Okay. Now, this show is about to end. 5, 4, 3, 2, and we're about to have a dance.